How to download Forza Horizon on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Forza Horizon on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just head over to your Microsoft Store on your Windows PC and simply search in for Forza Horizon just like this. So once you're searching for that particular game, you have to wait for a few seconds. So once you're finally inside here, you can see there is a Forza Horizon game of different edition. So one is the standard edition, and another is the premium edition of bundle. So you can choose any one of these options related to your Forza Horizon game and simply select any one of these, and you can basically play the game with the if you have the Game Pass of your Google Xbox. And if you don't have it, you can also purchase the game for $59.99 just from over here. So you can simply tap on this if you want to purchase the game from over here, and you just have to provide your payment method and your payment detail from over here. And once you provide your payment details just like that, you can easily purchase the game and install the game on your PC or laptop just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.